Need to trim and cut clips frame by frame in edit apps? Well, it's pretty simple process. So here's how you can trim and cut clips frame by frame under 2 minutes. Start by opening the application edits. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. It will open up your gallery. Select any of the video that you want to edit. Once you have selected, tap on Add at the top right corner of the screen. Once the video has been uploaded, now if you want to trim, what you want to do is simply click on the video where you want to cut. Once you have selected, tap on Split at the bottom left corner of the screen. You can see that the video has been splitted. If you want to delete it, tap on Delete at the bottom of the screen. You can see that it has been deleted. You can also do it by another way. Tap and hold it from the end of the video and then drag it to the left. It will automatically trim the video. Likewise, you can also start it from the very beginning of the video. Follow the same process in order to trim it, and after that you'll be good to go. Now if you want to export, tap on Export at the top right corner of the screen. And that's it, the video has been trimmed and cut clips frame by frame. If this helped, give it a like and check out our next tutorial, especially if you're getting started on edits.